Hello, welcome. Thanks for joining me. The end of another busy day in the workshop. I better clear up the confusion about the title. Going electric, day 18 of the bike build, going electric. I would have put question marks if I could, but as you know, you can't in a title of a video. So, am I going electric? Is the bike build going in a different direction? Yes. A chance chat with a neighbour, and he's gifted me a scooter. Now, it's one of these electric scooters made for adults, and it zips along the pavement. I think they do about 19 miles an hour, and he's a big chap. To see it go with him on, I've even seen it go with two of them on. I'm encouraged to believe that it will pull my bike along, even with me on it. Not lap record breaking speed, you understand, but just better than pushing. I'm not suggesting it'll parade, as it wouldn't keep up with them, but it could move from one spot to another. Why do I want that? Well, why not? It's another challenge in the bike build. At the end of the process, I'll have some answers regarding friction drive, because I do want to do away with any chains and sprockets. I want it just to be a cut down version of the scooter driving wheel, mounted unobtrusively within the frame of the bike and touching the back tyre. And that's basically it. All the controls for going and stopping and possibly even braking will be kept, and they may well be mounted on the handlebar or some such suitable place on the bike. Comments will be very welcome on this subject. I don't want to have to look elsewhere and copy other people's work, because it's just a simple friction device, a wheel turning a wheel. Mounting the battery, that shouldn't be too much of a problem, because the bike hasn't got a petrol engine in anymore. There's loads of room to mount control boxes and rechargeable batteries, and it'll use the fairing to disguise the fact. So, thanks for joining me. Join me again soon for more project of the bike build.